Brothers meeting, general meeting on progress.
First race. After that, you can't, let's say if you gain weight the month after, you can't move to the next month. So you stay on that weight. For the whole 3 series. If you set the days. Yeah, because we have to reserve the days.
Yeah, because I have to find the reliever.
So that's it. For the
So that's already final.
Yeah, we're gonna try to negotiate the same price. Because last year they tried to raise it, and I talked to them to put the raise the fee down to 30 was I don't know 30, 35, I think it was 30. Yeah. So they wanted to raise it, and I said 30. Can't because we already told them the price. So on top of
You can invite also anybody
yeah,
can join.
invite as many as you can.
The more we invite, the more
Manolito. This is our model, Manolito.
And the owner is not happy if we can't meet the number of people that I tell them. I told them 20 and then only 15. They're not happy, so they wanted to raise the price. Okay. So invite as many as you can, male, females. Anyway, it's according to weight anyway. Alright?
That's it. So about the dates,
Yeah, we'll put it on Facebook, we'll make an event.
just check on the webpage.
Yeah. By the summer we should have the dates.
Wednesday, right?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, February. So hopefully.